Thank you for selecting Lakeland products. As a leader in the tube fabricating industry for over 40 years, Lakeland Products has a long-established reputation of quality, dependability, and versatility. In this video, you'll see tube bending equipment capable of meeting a variety of needs in the low to medium volume production markets. This is the Model 632 tube bender. It is capable of bending 3/8 through 2-inch tubing. Bending tubing with a Model 632 bender requires the base machine, a combination slide block, a combination clamp block, the desired radius block, and a hydraulic pump. It is also important to secure the Model 632 to a sturdy bench or table. To operate the Model 632, there are 6 basic steps. Step 1. Select your tubing and mark the bend starting point. We've selected a size 16 or 1-inch OD annealed tube. Annealing is a process that softens the tube to make bending easier and also reduces the amount of springback after the bending process. Mark the tube where the bend is to start with a pencil or other marking pen. Do not cut into the tube surface in any way, as this will form a weak spot in the tube. Step 2. Select the proper radius block. The radius block is determined by the tube OD and desired bend radius. The bend radius is always measured from center line of the tube to center line of the radius block. In this case, we're using a 16 by 3 or 1-inch tube that will bend to a 3-inch radius. The tube size and the bend radius are stamped on the top of each radius block for easy identification. Position the radius block on the bender by sliding the block over the center post pins so that the notch is facing the vise face and handle end of the bender, and the radius is facing to the left of the operator. The notch represents the 0 degree or starting point of the bend. Step 3. Select the proper groove in the combination clamp block to suit the OD of the tube. In this case, size 16. Each tube size is marked on the end of the block. Place the clamp block on the vise face of the clamp arm with a number 16 groove facing toward the radius block. Align the mark on the tube with the 0 degree mark on the radius block. Disengage the half-turn nut by turning it counterclockwise and slide the vise face forward until it rests against the tube so that the mark on the tube is adjacent to the notch or 0 degree mark on the radius block. Place the tie bar on top of the clamp arm by aligning the holes of the tie bar with a post pin and the dowel pin. Drop in place. It is important to use the tie bar whenever bending with a 632 bender. Re-engage the half-turn nut by turning clockwise and turn the adjusting screw until the clamp block is tightened securely against the tube. Step 4. Select the proper groove in the slide block and place it on the vise face of the slide arm. Slide it forward using the same procedure as with the clamp arm, but tighten the block snugly against the tube. The slide block must slide along with the tube to support the outside of the tube during the bending process. Step 5. Model 632 is equipped with an angle of bend mechanical stop. To set this stop, simply turn the adjusting handle clockwise and line up the line indicator on the stop inside the machine with the degree of bend desired on the indicator plate. Allow 3 to 5 degrees more for springback. We're going to do a 90-degree bend. Step 6. Turn on the pump. Turn the handle clockwise and make your bend. When the bend is completed, turn off the pump. Turn the adjusting screw on the slide arm until the slide block can be removed. Now remove the tube from the radius block and check the bend to see if any wrinkling or cracking has occurred. Turn the pump handle counterclockwise and the clamp arm returns to the starting position. The 632 is now ready to bend another tube. In addition to Lakeland's 632 bender, a number of accessories is available to make tube bending even easier. A selection of mandrels, flared end radius blocks, a bender table, and a bend angle indexing gauge are readily available for use with all bender machines. For quality, dependability, and versatility, Lakeland Products is the right choice for your tube bending needs.